Bob Doll, is this the most unloved bull market ever? And if it is, why are we so miserable in this bull market?
I guess people just don't enjoy making money, Tom. Look, there are all kinds of things to worry about, and as you know from way back when, bull markets love to climb walls of worry. There are all kinds of things to worry about, but underneath the surface, we've got an economy and an earnings profile that's pretty good, and that's what drives markets. Let's take the story of the day, the politics. Okay, so the two parallels, neither of them are perfect, or President Clinton and the impeachment, and President Nixon and the resignation. One, the market went up, the other market went down. Guess why? In the case the market went down, the Nixon era, the economy and earnings were in trouble. In the Clinton period, earnings and the economy were fine. The current economy is fine and earnings are good. Stocks should be just fine.
Bob, you have done this for decades with Nuveen now. I'm out of the market. I've missed it. I need to get back in the market. How does Bob Doll get back into a market he's missed?
Yeah, I don't think you have to be a hero. The easy money is clearly in the rearview mirror, and I think it's bumpier from here. So I'm a dollar cost averager, plain old vanilla. If I have $10,000 to put in, I put $1,000 in per month, and at the end of 10 months, I'm invested. If markets go up, at least I got started. If markets go down, at least I have some powder for later in that 10-month period.
Bob, what do you do with gold? Do you buy gold?
No, I don't think so. I don't think the fundamentals for gold are all that good. Obviously, technically, it's struggled as well. The link with inflation is still there, but we don't have an inflation problem, so I'm cautious on gold, Francie.
All right. What's your take overall on Chinese renminbi? I don't know whether this is something that, are we going to see a currency war? And if we do, how ugly will the markets get?
That's not a pretty scene, and you're right. We could have an interruption for that period. I think you hit on it. Currencies are some of the hardest things to predict, and currencies are the place where lots of things around the world adjust most quickly. So they tell us a lot. And if we get in that sort of period, we could have a selling squall because of the concerns with liquidity and government stability.